Hi everyone, today we're going to make Jamaican Toto or Jamaican coconut cake. So I'm going to add 3 cups of baking flour to the container, after which I will add 1.5 cup of brown sugar to the flour. Next, I will mix the flour and the sugar together, combine them, allow them to be distributed evenly. So you mix them, after which I will add freshly grated coconut. If you buy it at the store, make sure it's the unsweetened one. Now I'm going to mix in the coconut so that it can be distributed among the flour and the sugar also. Next, I will add 10 grams of baking powder, half tablespoon of nutmeg, or if you have mixed spice, you can also add your mixed spice and cinnamon powder. Next, I will add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Next, I will add some baking soda, but be careful with this one. Do not add half tablespoon or a teaspoon. Add a small pinch because it tends to make the mixture bitter if add too much. Now that you have added all those ingredients, mix them in. Just mix them in. Now that I am finished with the dry ingredients, I move to the wet ingredients. I have 2 eggs in a container. Now I will add a small amount of milk to it, but we're going to use a cup of milk for the mixture. Next, I will add a tablespoon of vanilla, after which I will add a half teaspoon of lime juice, and that's optional. Next, I will add a tablespoon of white rum. I will also add a tablespoon of almond flavoring. That's also optional. Next up, I will add 80 grams of melted margarine. You can also add butter. After adding the melted margarine, rather, mix all your wet ingredients together. Then pour it into your dry ingredients, which is your flour and your coconut and your sugar, along with your spices. Get your wooden spoon on and mix until all the lumps has been dissolved. Continue to mix your batter until it is free of lumps and is smooth. While mixing your batter, you should preheat your oven. Make sure if you don't have any grease paper, you grease your baking pan with some butter or oil. Then pour mixture in. Baking container. Make sure that your oven is heated. You're gonna bake for an hour at about 180 degrees or 175 degrees. After an hour, your toto should be ready, and here we have it, guys. Our toto is baked. Now we're gonna allow it to cool before cutting into it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video or if you learned anything. Have yourself a good one. Peace out.